Is it time to buy or sell Oklo stock? In this video, we will explore Oklo in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 16th of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to keep updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 14th of October, 2024, our system has categorized Oklo as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a remarkable gain of 64.74% since we initially recommended purchasing Oklo 3 days ago. This results in an average return of 21.58% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 suggests that our system anticipates significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Considering the recent developments, we are unable to predict the stock's next direction, as it could move in either direction. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 11.05% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 57.11% to 11.05%. Our latest daily update for Oklo includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Oklo Inc. stock price on Wednesday, moving between $12.30 and $16.77. The Oklo Inc. stock price gained 41.97% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 16th of October, 2024, rising from $11.65 to $16.54. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to gain or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 36.34% from a day low of $12.30 to a day high of $16.77. The price has been quite variable during this period, and overall, there has been a 74.11% gain over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 17 million more shares exchanged than the previous day. In total, 54 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $886,160,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $18.80, while the lowest was $5.35. Currently, the price stands 12.02%, or $2.26, below the 52-week high of $18.80, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Oklo Incorporated shares experienced an impressive surge, gaining 41% in just 1 day. This growth is attributed to rising interest in nuclear energy from major technology companies like Amazon. This aligns with a broader trend, as Oklo's stock has skyrocketed over 70% recently, fueled by significant investments in nuclear power to meet the energy demands of data centers driven by advancements in artificial intelligence. The company's CEO highlighted the incredible opportunity presented by this AI-induced power demand. Investors are keenly aware that as large tech increasingly embraces nuclear energy, Oklo is positioning itself as a key player in this burgeoning market. Additionally, Oklo has finalized agreements with the United States Department of Energy for site investigations for its planned microreactor in Idaho, with operations expected to begin as early as 2027, pending regulatory approvals. This regulatory support not only solidifies Oklo's long-term prospects, but also bolsters investor confidence in the company's growth trajectory. In the short term, the recent surge reflects heightened market interest and optimism surrounding Oklo's future prospects, potentially leading to increased trading volume and further price appreciation. Over the long term, as Oklo establishes itself in the nuclear energy sector and navigates regulatory landscapes, its growth potential could attract even more serious investors, solidifying its place in the expanding clean energy landscape. Analyst Ratings. On Tuesday, September 24, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Oklo a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, September 18, 2024, B. Riley rated Oklo as a buy with an initialize action. On Friday, September 6, 2024, Seaport Global also gave Oklo a neutral rating with an initialize recommendation. On Friday, June 21, 2024, Citigroup once again rated Oklo as neutral with a hold action. On Tuesday, June 4, 2024, Citigroup issued a neutral rating for Oklo with an initialize recommendation. Analysts have assigned Oklo stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, analysts also rate the stock with a strong sell designation. The following signals have been identified for Oklo. The stock of Oklo Inc. shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support is expected at $10.97 and $8.06. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 3rd of September, 2024, and to date, the stock has appreciated by 195.89%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 32 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 20 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 19 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 21 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 14 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 7 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Oklo. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Given the right conditions, the stock could experience significant declines in the coming days. This stock has demonstrated considerable movement throughout the day, indicating a high level of volatility. The prediction interval from the Bollinger Band suggests that it carries a very high-risk classification. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $4.47 between its highest and lowest points, which is a movement of 36.34%. In the past week, the stock has averaged a daily volatility of 18.95%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Oklo, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profits and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 12th of November, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at -8 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Oklo. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could move upward swiftly if conditions are favorable. In this scenario, it might be wise to enter a position and use volume as a guide for your exit strategy. On the other hand, there is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which suggests that the stock could potentially decline sharply under certain circumstances. It is important to proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader familiar with navigating such situations. The combined average rating for Oklo from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest trade took place on the 10th of July, 2024, when Wright Christopher A. conducted an insider purchase of 16,854 shares of restricted stock units. Our recommended stop loss is set at $15.97, reflecting a decrease of 3.44%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which results in a high level of risk. There is currently a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom identified 31 days ago. Is Oklo stock a good buy? Oklo Inc. presents several positive signals. However, we believe these are insufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it is more appropriate to consider it a hold candidate, meaning you may wish to hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our assessment of this stock since the last evaluation, changing it from a strong buy to a hold or accumulate candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 17th of October, we anticipate that Oklo will open lower, declining by $1.34, beginning trading at $15.20. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.